How to add custom CSS in Elementor. I'm going to show you two methods. So how can we add custom CSS for a page and for the site as a whole. So here I've just logged into Elementor and I'm just going to click on edit with Elementor, which is going to load up the website editor. Now once we have the website editor, the first thing that I'm going to show you is how we can actually add custom CSS to the different pages. So here from the pages tab, we'll just select it and go to the page which we want to add custom CSS for. For example, this one, the About Us page that I've just created. And now what we have to do is click on the cogwheel next to page settings. So make sure you have the correct page selected and click on page settings. Then go to the advanced tab and you can add your custom CSS right here. Now, if you want to add custom CSS to your site as a whole, what we're going to do is we're going to click on site settings here. And then we are going to scroll down until we see custom CSS. It is the second to last option. We can just select it and we can add custom CSS to our Elementor website right here. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.